Here we have a cicada, hornet, or a yellow jacket. Sorry about that. Eating a cicada. But it's just eating it. Earlier the cicada was still alive. My buzzing. Look, there it goes the cicada. It's buzzing a little bit. It was buzzing. I came outside really and saw it. And the cicada was buzzing around like crazy. And the bee was stinging it repetitively and eating the cicada. The bee's tearing it apart. It's crazy. Look at that. It's tearing apart the cicada. Oh, here goes the cicada. So, help me. The bee's just tearing it apart. Look at that. It's crazy. Hopefully it doesn't come after me, but look. Cicada's like calling for help. Sorry, what? I can't find it. Oh, there it is. Bees just... Earlier the bee was stinging it repetitively. Now it's killing the... It killed the cicada. Now it's ripping off its limbs so it can't fight back. And it's eating it. It's crazy. I just walked outside, heard a loud buzzing noise, and I looked over and I saw this. But the cicada was like still alive and like flailing its wings everywhere. Jeez. I don't know if you live here in Tennessee, but cicadas are common around here. But I've never seen anything like this. I didn't know bees would even attack a cicada. And you hear it crunching. Go be quiet for a second so you can hear it. Oh. Jeez. Hornet came after me. Hornet came after me. Jeez. Well, I guess that's it for today. Jeez. Well, see you guys later. Bye.